Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, Tuesday, and that is where the green line is coming from. And I'll be honest, things were looking pretty rough yesterday, but that's why you never want to quite, say that the fat lady has sung before she actually has sung, because very nice recovery. And as I talked about in yesterday's video, I mean, the price did still have that opportunity to build a higher base, and a higher base they have built indeed, and they've stayed up above that green line. So nice sign of strength there, and that presents one of the newest areas of support going forward, and that would be right up here at the 29-cent mark. Now, I'm not going to call it 29 cents a do or die level. Definitely down here at that green line, that was the do or die level like I talked about in Tuesday's video. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above 29 cents, that would certainly make the chart, appear and, be the healthiest going forward, because like I said, nobody wants to see the price going all the way back down to that second green line. Whereas if the price were to maybe pull back here a little bit and just do something like this where it, comes down to 29, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards, that's a whole lot easier to stomach. And then just from, an overall chart perspective, if you could have lows like that and envision those as stair steps, that just makes the overall thing much more straightforward and much more desirable from other traders' perspectives that are maybe running scans and looking for various setups. So 29 cents, like I said, not a do or die level, but definitely a must hold level, or not a do or die level, but just an ideal level. Now, what about level? I remember why I didn't want to do that. So because of that gap down, as you see, that really throws off the proportions there. So let's get back over there. So what about levels of resistance going forward? In terms of where the sellers are at, initial level going to be just simply where the party stopped today, and that was basically at 32 cents. If the price can push up through 32, the next key overarching level right up there at 34. So 32 near term, the next hurdle after that up there at 34 cents. But again, like I started off the video saying, things are looking shaky, but very nice recovery on the bulls' part. So we'll see if they can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.